Sagutan natin ang given na ito. Ito yung ating trending post na nakita natin sa ibang page. X times X times X plus X over X equals 50. We're going to find the value of... Okay, ito yung ating solution. X times X times X plus X over X equals 50. Ano muna yung ating unang gagawin? Okay, as we can see, meron tayong product rule na pwede nating i-rewrite as exponential form. 1, 2, 3. X times X times X, automatic, magiging X cube. Sa product rule, kinokopya natin ang base X, ina-add natin yung exponent. Automatic, may exponent itong 1, 1, 1. Kaya naging X cube. Then, kokopyahin natin yung plus X over X equals 50. Anong sunod natin gagawin? Pwede nating i-factor ang X cube plus X. Hahanap tayo ng common monomial factor. At ang ating common monomial factor dito ay X. X cube divided by X is X squared plus X divided by X is 1. Then, over X equals 50. Next, pwede na nating makancel to o kaya naman, dinivide natin ang X divided by X, ang sagot ay 1. Then bring down, the remaining is X squared plus 1 equals 50. Nagkaroon na ngayon tayo ng quadratic equation. Okay, now, anong gagawin natin? Okay, mag-a-add tayo dito ng negative 1. Ito yung tinatawag nating additive inverse. X squared plus 1 minus 1 equals 50 minus 1. Okay, nagdagdag tayo ng negative 1 both sides para makancel to. Ang matitira na lang dito sa left side ay X squared equals 50 minus 1 is 49. Okay, now, ituloy natin ang ating quadratic equation. X squared equals 49. Then, anong gagawin natin? X squared equals 49. Extract the square roots or square root property. We're going to use this method. Ang tawag dito ay extracting the roots, na kung saan makukuha natin ang roots. Then, naglagay nga tayo ng radical sign both sides. Matitira na lang natin yung ating base X. Makakancel na yon. Equals positive negative square root of 49 is 7. Therefore, the value of X here